Hi, my name is Andrew, and today my project is going to be about a hovercraft. Now, a hovercraft is a vehicle that travels over land or water on a cushion of air provided by an hourglass. Now, my project question is, can a DIY hovercraft stay afloat using air power? Now, if you don't know what DIY means, it means do yourself. And also, if you don't know what a float means, it means floating, not sinking. So I'm going to be making a hovercraft, and the materials for the hovercraft is CD, sports cap, pop-up type, and a balloon, and also glue to glue the pop-up cap to the CD. So I'm going to glue this balloon. Okay, so now I'm going to test my balloon by seeing if the air power, if it can stay afloat using its air power. And how I'm going to do that is by opening the pop-up cap, and the air from the balloon, from the balloon will go down, creating its cushion of air power. So let's do it. Okay, so in answer to my project question, yes, the hovercraft can stay afloat using its air power, but unfortunately, my hypothesis was incorrect because I thought that the bigger the balloon, the fastest and farther it would get, but unfortunately that was not the case because I did 3 types of balloons. Small balloon, which is 1 blow, medium balloon, which is 2 blows, and last but not least, large balloon that had 3 blows. Now the results for those 3 balloons, the small balloon made the hovercraft move 6 inches to 1 feet. The medium balloon made the hovercraft move 1 foot to 2 feet, and last but not least again, the large balloon only made it to 4 inches, and that's it because it just kept in place moving around. And why I think it just did that, because it was too heavy and it was very big, and it made it unstable and unbalanced. And that is the end. Any questions, anyone?